What I would want to do documentary of like not documentary but like series of video to recall the progress of my funded challenge with funding pip. Here's my phase one challenge, and right now I'm up 1.5%. And right now my approach, I will using a high risk for the challenge account because the challenge fee is not really that much for me, very only $60. So I think it's okay to risk a bit more, such as like 2% a trade, something like that, and then just hope to pass as fast as possible, right? This is my approach. And right now, talk about the trade that took on Go. And yeah, you can see I took two small wins here. One kind of like break even trade and then enter another trade here, hoping for price to retest the high, right? This is my trade. Let's talk about the reason why I took the trade, right? I trade at, I would say, 9:30 Eastern time, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. And let's talk about the reason why I entered those trade. And okay, when we look at that, we can see that gold is pretty bullish, right? You can see today we're up 2.33%, and gold is pretty bullish on the day. And then obviously here is a breakout, and then we have a bull flat. This is, I would say, this is like a bull channel, or you can call it a bull flat. And then we have another breakout of the channel again, and then we have a typo channel, and then right now here we have trading range and then breakout, and then normally a trading range late in the bull trend is probably is going to be the final final move, right, or the final leg, right? So this the final leg because we have a train range late in the bull trend, we break over it, and then we have a very strong bear trend as well. This is like a tight bear channel. And at the time I want to take a sell, I want to take a short, but price didn't break below here, and then we failed to break below the major. We failed to break below the major higher low as well, which is here, right? So the bull bias is still intact, right? So I took a buy as I saw minor wedge bottom 1, 2, 3, and then this is like II pattern. Basically, it's a triangle on a smaller time frame, and I took the buy above here, and then add my another position as well. And then I exit my trade as I saw potentially this is a pretty strong bear, tight bear channel. Probably we will have a second leg down, one, pullback, two. So when I saw this wedge top, 1, 2, 3, pretty strong bear bar, and then um, you know, roughly 50% correction of the move, pretty strong bear bar, and then exit everything, took a small profit there. And then exit my trade and then enter short there and hoping that we can retest this low or even break below here, right? But we didn't, and then I in profit for I don't know like almost 1 to 1 probably, right? 70 perp, yeah, 1 to 1, and it really failed to break to retest this low or this low, right? So I exit my trade as I saw pretty good double bottom. Why let's revise, right? Why I took this short because this is wedge top, almost 50%, a bit above 50% correction of the bear move. I expect this bear trend is strong enough that we will have a second leg down, and then we have a wedge top, and then we have a bad follow through after bull breakout. This is the reason why I took the shot there. And then we have a solid bear signal bar. We just take a shot there, and then we have a lower high as well here, lower high double top, and a short. But why exit here? Because we really didn't fail to break below this low. We have a strong bull signal bar as well. Fail to break below there. We are in a strong bull trend as well, and then we hold above a major high low. And then this is like a double bottom as well, strong signal bar, enter above there, put my stop here, and then targeting the range high. I think it's pretty makes sense for this trade, so I'm going to slip. I'm going to bet and see what happened, right? And let's talk about the trade that I took on US 500. I also took a trade on US 500, but I exit my trade as I saw bad follow through after this breakout. Wait for the price broke above the trading range, and then want to target the measure move up. But you can see we already like have a measure move like target, right? Maybe it's not clear, but for now I'm going only want to focus like trade one pair within a session, right? So I'm going to slip soon, but this is the reasoning why I entered those trade, and then I profit a little bit. You can see a wait for a break, break above or break below of the trailing range, and then we have break above there. One time of the trailing range, size of the trailing range, you can see price stall out multiple time fail to break above the high with a bull breakout pretty strong, but then we have a bad follow through. So I just exit there, for a big loss, right? But for now, I'm going to only trade one pair, and then I think I did pretty well here. I expected big up, big down, big conviction, trailing range, and then we have a mine wash bottom, 1, 2, 3. I pattern probably is triangle breakout mode, and then enter above there, put my stop here, tightening the high, but we fail as there's the wedge top, probably is one leg down, pull back, second leg down, and then we have a nice looking bear bar, and then enter below there, put my stop above there, and then we have 1, 2 move down, but then we have another double bottom as well. Nice bold candle, exit my short, enter long again, tightening the high. This is the reason why I entered trade, and then I think the market is still favorable as we are still in a strong bull trend, right? So this the whole rationale behind the trade. And I'm gonna call it a day. Not call it a day. I'm going to go to bed and see how price wanna move, right? So that I'm going to sleep. Hopefully this is like a good trade, but it's just a phase one challenge account, so it's okay. I risk a little bit more. Yeah, it's okay. And I think today I do a pretty good job identifying the training range, took a long, exit there, reverse my possession, exit here, took long again, tightening the range high, right? So I'm going to sleep now.